Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Online School. Uh, Today we are going to discuss the question paper of 2022-23 grade 6 science for all the NSO aspiring students. So let us start the discussion of the paper. Yes, goes like this. We find the missing number to continue the given number pattern 21, 25, 33, 49 and 81 in question mark. So basically we have to find the number that should be in the place of question mark, right? So the pattern goes like this. 21, add 4 into 21, we will get 25. If we add 8 into 25, we get 33. When we add 16 into 33, we get 49. And if we add 32 into 49, we get 81, right? So basically, if we are going to add 64 into 81, we will get 145 as our answer. How did we get this? We just simply have to double the number on which we are adding, right? So 4 2s are 8. So here again 8 2s are 16. Again 16 into 2 is 32. Here 32 into 2 would be 64. So finally, when we add 64 to 81, we will get 145 as our answer. So option number D is the correct answer. We move to the next question. In a certain code language, if noise is written as PQKUG. Okay, so let's write down noise as PQKU and G, and peace is written as what? Okay, so first we have to match it. Okay, so peace should be written as, how do we see the pattern? The pattern goes like this. Okay, N M N, so plus 2 you get P, plus jump 2 letters from O and we get Q, jump 2 letters from I and we get K, jump 2 letters from U and we get S, we get U, and jumping 2 letters from E, we get G. So similarly, we have to jump 2 letters each in order to get our answer, right? So if you jump 2 letters from P, we get K, from E, it is G, from A, it is C, from E, it is 2 letters, if you jump, it is E, and from E, if you jump 2 letters, you will get G. Okay, so our answer should be, sorry, this is not K, this is R, G, C, E, G, right? So our answer is option number C. Okay, we move to the next question. Which of the following Venn diagrams best represents the relationship amongst liquid, sand, and water? So liquid is what? Water is a kind of liquid. So if we consider the first option, this could be water, the inner circle, and the outer circle can be considered as a liquid. So water is a type of liquid, whereas sand is a completely different material, which is solid, right? So this is sand, right? So this Venn diagram basically best represents the relationship between liquid, sand, and water. So option number A is our correct answer. Next question, select the odd one out. So we have to basically find the relationship between all the letters in each of the given options. Okay, so in the first one, if you add 2 R S T, jump 2 letters to get T, and again we jump 3 letters from T to get W. Okay, R S T U V and W. Now again from K, if we jump to 2 letters, we will get M, and again if we jump 3 letters, we will get P. Okay, now in the third one, if you jump 2 letters from A, we will get C, and if you jump 2 letters, then we will get E. It's not 3, it's 2 letters, right? So this option number C becomes our odd one out. Okay, AC is the odd one out option. Next, if 346 is related to 8 in some way, then what is the same? Then in the same way 592 is related to. So basically we have to find out how is 346 related to 8 first. Okay, so if we do a mathematical sum of 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 6 and divided by 9, then we will get the answer as 72 divided by 9, and our answer would be 8. Okay, so this is the relationship of the number 346 with 8. So similar relationship we have to establish with 592 also. So 5 multiplied with 9 multiplied with 2 divided by 9. Okay, so if we do this, we will get the multiplication answer as 90 divided by 9, which is 10 is our answer. So option number C is our correct answer. We move to the next question. Select the figure from the options to satisfy the same conditions of the placement of the dots as in the given figure. So here there's a picture where we have dots, where we have two dots over here. The first dot is located in the circle and a triangle, correct? In the circle and a triangle, whereas the second dot is located in the in a circle. This second dot is located in the circle, in the triangle, and in the square. Circle, triangle, and square. Right? So we have to similarly find out that in which figure, if we place these two dots, we will have the same kind of pattern, right? So if you look into option number B, and if you place the dot here and one over here, okay, and another one here, then we will find out that we have the same pattern of circle, triangle, and square. Okay, one dot will be in the circle, another dot in the triangle, and the third dot in the circle. Okay, in the square. So option number B is our correct answer. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. If P is the father of Q, Q is the sister of R, and R is the daughter of S, then how is S related to P? So this is a blood relation question. So how do we solve it? We can choose males to be a square and females to be circle. Okay. So if we try to create a chart in this manner, we will, how do we do it? So let's say P is the father of Q. Okay. So P is the father of Q. Okay, who is a sister of R. So Q is a lady, is a girl, female, right? So she's a sister of R. Okay, R, and R is a daughter of S. So R is also a girl only or female, right? So she is a sister of R, right? Okay. So when we write sisters and brothers, we will usually not we will draw it from the uh, parents. Okay, we'll draw a line from the parents like this, so it will be like this. Okay, so supposingly from here. Okay, right? So R, now R is the daughter of S. Okay, so R is also daughter of S, so definitely S is going to be a female. Yes, so R is going to be the daughter of S, right? So definitely, how is S related to P? S is the wife of P. Yes, so our answer is option number C, wife. Okay, next question. Arrange the following words in a meaningful sequence and select the correct option. Okay, so we have to arrange this in a meaningful sequence. So how do we start? So we will start first with the book. Okay, book. Then we have second is your chapter. This should be the second. Okay, then it will come paragraph. Okay, third is paragraph. Then fourth is sentence, and fifth is word. So our numbering should be 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. 3, 2, 5, 4, 1. Option number is B is our correct answer. Okay, B is our correct answer. Next, if plus denotes multiplication, minus denotes division, multiplication denotes minus, and division denotes plus, then what is the value of 5 plus 14 minus 2 into 3? So we have to just replace and interchange the signs with the given signs over here. So 5, okay, the plus is what? Plus is multiplication, so 14, and minus is division, so we write division there, and multiplication is minus, so we write minus here. Now for following the BODMAS rule, we need to solve this. Okay, so how do we do it? So first we have to multiply. Okay, first, sorry, we have to divide. Okay, first we will divide. So 5 multiplied 14 divided by 2 is 7 minus 3. Then comes multiplication. So we have to now multiply 5 and 7, which is 35, and subtracted by 3, which we get 32 as our answer. So option number B is our correct answer, 32. Okay. Next question. Select the correct mirror image of the given word if the mirror is placed vertically to the right. So if the mirror is placed vertically on the right side in this way, so how do we write it? How will the image be formed? It will be I, then it would be D in this way, then N would be in this way, I would be in this way, and H would be in this way. So option number B has this correct formation. Okay, so B is our correct answer. Next. Now we have questions from science from 11 onwards. Now, two plotting compasses X and Y are placed near the bar magnet as shown here. So this is a bar magnet, okay, and two plotting compasses X and Y are here. This is one compass, X and Y is another compass. So what the needles of the compasses X and Y will point in which direction? So we know that always a compass points from the north-south direction, isn't it? North-south direction. So definitely both the needles will be pointing in this direction, north-south direction towards the right side. So option number B is our correct answer. Okay, the B option, which is pointing both towards the right side, is our correct answer. Next question. Read the following statements carefully and identify each of them as true or false. Okay. So first is the motion of the rider along the bicycle is rectilinear motion. This is true. The motion of the feet pedaling is always periodic. This is false. The wheel of a moving bicycle shows circular motion only. No, this is also false. Okay, because it shows forward movement also. And the motion of a potter's wheel is rotatory only. So this is true. So answer is F. True, false, false, true. We have it in option number B. So B is our correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. A girl is 4 meters away from a plane mirror as shown in the figure. If she moves few steps closer to the mirror, what will happen to the size of the image in the mirror? Consider that she has seen her complete image in both the cases. So in both the cases, a girl is, in the first case, she's 4 meters away from the mirror. Now after some time, she is going few steps closer to the mirror. Okay, few steps closer to the mirror. So what will be the distance between the mirror and the image over here? Okay, the question is asking in both the cases. So we know that in a plane mirror, whatever is the distance between the mirror and the object, okay, let's say a human object, okay, the image formation which is behind the mirror, okay, is also at the same distance from the object. So if the object is at 4 meters away from the mirror, at the same time, the image will be also 4 meter away from the mirror. Okay. So definitely in both the cases, the image would be at the same distance as that of the object. So our option answer is going to be the size of the image will remain the same as well. The size as well as the distance remains the same. No, there is no change in size as well as there is no change in distance also. Okay. So option number C is the correct answer. The size of the image will remain the same. Next, the constellation shown in the figure is which one? It is Cassiopeia. Okay, this figure represents the constellation called Cassiopeia. Next question. To measure the length of a pencil by a broken scale, Nisha puts the pencil as shown in the figure. One end of the pencil reads 5 centimeter. So we will consider 5 as the 0 mark over here. Okay. And the other ends reads 14.2, which means here 14.2. Okay, 14.2. So what is the length of the pencil? So this is very simple. You have to just subtract 14.2 with 5 because our pencil 0 marking is at is at the 5th point. Okay, so we just subtract 5 from 14.2 and we will get 9.2 as our answer, 9.2 centimeters. So the length of the pencil is 9.2. Option number D is the correct answer. Next question. Read the given statements regarding friction and select the correct one. Friction may cause moving objects to slow down. This is true. Rough surface, offers a greater friction than a smoother surface. This is true. Friction makes it easy to slide heavy objects across the floor. This is false. And friction always acts in the opposite direction of the motion of the objects. This is true. Okay. So which are the only correct ones? So it is 1, 2, and 3 only. Okay, 1, 2, and 4 only. I'm sorry, 1, 2, and 4 only. So option number A is our right answer. Okay, A is our right answer. we have to select the correct ones. Okay, so option number A, 1 and 2. Friction always acts in the opposite direction of the motion of the objects. Okay, so 1, 2 and 4 only is our correct answer. Okay. Next question. Which of the following statement is or are correct? Planets are non-luminous bodies. This is true. The sun is the nearest sun to us from the earth. Receives The sun is the nearest star to us from which the earth receives most of the light. This is true. The glowworm and stars are natural sources of light. This is also true. So option number B, 1, 2 and 3 all are the correct statements is the right answer. Next. Study the given classification carefully and select the correct option X, Y, and Z. Okay. So electrical energy, we have first one as television and radio. So it is both audio and visual energy. Okay. So we have to find a device which is kind of same as that of television and radio. So is it refrigerator? No. Is it music system? Yes, possible. Okay. Is it Walkman? Yes, possible. And is it air conditioner? No. So we will eliminate option number D and option number A. Okay. Next we go to electrical bulbs. Electrical energy, which is electric bulb and torch. So it has light energy. So does washing machine has light energy? No. So option number B also gets nullified. So option number C is the correct answer. Why is table lamp, which has electrical energy, to light energy, and toaster and rice cooker uses electric energy to heat energy. So your electric kettle also does the same thing. Okay, so option number C is our right answer. Next question. Three identical bulbs X, Y, and Z are connected as shown in the figure. Okay, so these three bulbs are connected in the series connection. Okay, which of the following statement is incorrect regarding this? Right. So all three bulbs are in series connection. This is correct statement. Next is if bulb Z is removed, the bulb X will glow brighter. No, this is the incorrect option, because since all these bulbs are connected in series connection, if one of the bulbs also get fused or doesn't work properly, the rest of the other two bulbs will also not work properly. Okay, so this option number B is our incorrect answer, which is our correct option. Okay, next. The given figure shows a wind turbine used to produce electricity. So wind is blowing from this side and the turbine is moving. Okay, turbine moving. This is a windmill. Okay, that will generate electricity. So complete the block diagram given below by selecting the most appropriate option to show the energy transformations, right? So here, first of all, what energy is the dash energy of the wind? Which energy of the wind? It is the kinetic energy of the wind, which is being utilized over here. Okay. So kinetic energy is changing into what? It is this kinetic energy of the wind is rotating the turbine. So it is converting into rotation energy, rotational energy. So Y is rotational energy. Then the rotation energy is going to convert into mechanical energy. Okay, mechanical energy of the generator, as a result of which the generator will start and the electricity will be produced. So option number A is our right answer. X is kinetic, Y is rotational, and Z is mechanical. Next option. Next question. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Wood and plastic sink in water. Yes, this is incorrect, because wood and plastic is, they both are lighter materials, so they will float. So this is false. Okay. Is it difficult to? It is difficult to compress a sponge as it is hard material. No, this is also false. It is very soft, so it can be compressed easily. An iron object gets flattened on hammering. This is true. And if most of the light passes through a material, it is called translucent. Okay, so we will not consider this also as false. Okay, because it allows only partial light to pass through it, right? So which is the correct statement we have? Okay, so this can be considered option number 4. Incorrect are, we have 1, 3, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 in option number D is our answer. Okay, 1, 2 and 4 only. Next, so the following cannot be separated by filtration method. So filtration method, we know that always a liquid and the solid are separated from each other by the process of filtration. So can we separate tea leaves and tea? Yes, we can. Sawdust from water? Yes, we can do that also. But kerosene and water both are liquid materials, so we cannot separate it by filtration method. We need separating funnel for that. Okay, so option number C is our answer. Next, select the group in which the odd one is encircled correctly on the basis of the states of matter. So soft drink, diesel, apple juice, hydrogen. This is correct incorrectly, this is incorrectly circled. It should have been hydrogen. Okay, because that is only the gas. Stone, chair, syrup, pencil. So stone, chair, and pencil, they are solid, but syrup is liquid. So option, this is the most correct uh, encircled one. Okay, encircled option. So option number B is our right answer. Okay. Next question. A few mixtures are given below: alloys, oil, water mixture, air, smoke, solution of sugar in water, and mist. Which of the following options correctly classifies these mixtures as mixtures? So homogeneous mixtures are what? Homogeneous mixtures are those which will mix with evenly with each other, and we cannot distinguish between them. Okay, and heterogeneous are those which will not mix evenly with each other and we can easily distinguish between them, right? So this is homogeneous. Alloys are homogeneous. Oil and water are heterogeneous. Okay, air is air is homogeneous. Smoke is heterogeneous. Okay, solution of phosphor in water is homogeneous, and mist is also homogeneous, right? So option number C is our correct answer. Okay, that is, or homogeneous is 1, 2, and 1, 3, and 5. Okay, and hetero is 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so option number mist can also be considered heterogeneous. It can also be considered heterogeneous, right? So option number C is our correct answer. Homogeneous 1, 2, 1, 3, and 5, and heterogeneous is 2, 4, and 6. Okay, next question. Which of the following materials will not sink in water? So of course it is the dry leaf which will not sink in water. Rest of the others will definitely sink in water. Next, uh, read the given statements and select the correct option. Statement 1, we cannot see clearly through an oil paper. This is correct. Okay, and oil paper is a transparent material. No, definitely not. It is a translucent material. So this is false. So statement 1 is true. Statement 2 is false. Option number C is our right answer. Next question. Study the given Venn diagram and select the correct option. Okay, so you have to identify P and Q. Okay, by looking at the Venn diagram. So P is physical as well as reversible change, and Q is physical as well as irreversible change. So burning of paper is physical, chemical, and irreversible change, and setting of curd is also chemical and irreversible change. Melting of ice is physical and reversible change, and shredding of paper is physical but irreversible change. So option number B is our right answer. Okay, P is reversible and physical, that is melting of ice, and Q is irreversible and physical, which is shredding of paper. So option number B is our right answer. Next question. A few characteristics are listed here. Wood conductors transparent, 3 lustrous, 4 solid, 5 opaque, 6 insulators. The characteristics generally shown by metals are, so metals are good conductors, they are lustrous, they are solid, they are opaque. Okay, so option 1, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 3, 4, and 5. Option number B is our right answer. Okay. Next question. Select the correct match among the following. So conversion of solid to gas is evaporation. No. This is incorrect. Conversion of solid to liquid is freezing. No, it is called melting. This is incorrect. Conversion of liquid to gas is melting. This is also incorrect. It is evaporation. And conversion of gas to liquid is condensation. This is correct. So option number D is our right answer. Next question. Select the incorrect match. Okay, so here we have taproot, bean, and P is the correct match. Creeper, pea, and watermelon is the incorrect match because P is a climber. Okay, so option number B is our incorrect match. P is a climber, whereas only watermelon is a creeper. So option number B is our right answer. Next question. Refer to the given figures and select the correct statement regarding L, M, N, and O. So L is with joint. It is a pivot joint. Okay, M is ball and socket joint. Okay, then N is gliding joint. Okay, and O is hinge joint. Right, now you have to find out which is the correct statement. Joint L is present in knees. So L pivot joint is not present in knees. This is wrong. Joint M allows movement in all direction. Yes, this is correct because ball and socket joint is allows movement in all direction and is found in shoulder. So option number B is our answer for this question. Next question. Name of few items are given in the following list. fruit peel, use batteries, juice can, tea leaves, DDT, use syringes, ceramic bowl, which among them are biodegradable. So of course, which are organic, which are obtained from nature, they all are biodegradable. So which are the objects in that way? It is fruit peel and tea leaves, and yeah, that's all. Okay, anything else? Okay, food reduce battery, juice can, no, DDT, no. So option number 1 and 4 only. So option number A is our right answer. Okay, 1 and 4 only are biodegradable. Next, study the given diagram carefully and select the option which correctly identifies P, Q, R, and S. Okay, so water vapor to water is condensation. Okay, water to ice is freezing, right? Ice to water is melting, so Q is melting. Water to water vapor is evaporation, so S is evaporation. Okay, so what is our answer? P is freezing, okay, Q is melting, R is condensation, and S is evaporation. Option number A is our right answer. Okay, next. Refer to the given relationship and select the option which correctly satisfies the same relationship. Beetle is to parakeet is to snail. So insect is to bird is to a mollusk, isn't it? Yes, or a shelled animal rather. Okay, so it is ant is to flamingo is to clam. So ant is an insect, bird, flamingo is a bird, and clam is a shelled animal. So option number A is our right answer. Next, which of the following measures should be taken in the case of severe burn? Immerse the burn part in lukewarm water. No, this is not should not be done. Next is prick the bristles if blisters if any are formed. No, definitely we should never prick the blisters. So this is also wrong. Dip a sterile piece of cloth in a solution of baking soda and use it as a wet compress. Yes, we can do this. Okay, when we have a severe burn, so option number C is our right answer. Next question. Leaves may be simple or compound, which of the following have compound leaves. Now, compound leaves are such leaves whose leaves are actually divided into small leaflets, okay? And together they appear to be one single leaf as a whole, okay? So these leaves are divided usually into leaflets. So if you notice that these tiny leaves that you see in the picture D, picture C, okay, and picture B, they all are actually leaflets of a larger leaf, right? Right? So option number B is our right answer. B, C, and D all are compound leaves. Okay, next. Identify plants P and Q from the given statement and select the correct option. P is leaves of this plant are modified into tendrils, which is spring-like structure, which coil around a support to help the plant climb into a certain height. So it is a climber. Okay, and it's a climber, and Q is the leaves of a plant stored in extra food prepared by the plant that are mostly eaten as vegetable. Okay, so it is a modified root. Okay, or a modified shoot. It can be also a stem. It could be, right. So our answer would be option number A is sweet pea. Yes, sweet pea is a climber, and lettuce is a leaves. Okay, so Q is actually leafy plant which is used as vegetables also. So definitely lettuce is a vegetable. It's a plant which is used as used in eating and as salads also. Okay, so option number A is our right answer. P is sweet pea and Q is lettuce. Next. Read the given statements and select the correct option. Qutub Minar is 73-meter high structure having spiral staircase with 379 steps. Okay, so this is correct. Gateway of India was designed by Persian architect Ustad Ahmad Lauri. No, this is the incorrect option. So option number B is our answer. Next, X is a phenomenon wherein an organism resembles other organism or some inanimate object to such an extent that they look alike. Unscramble the given word, letters group, and select the correct option. So basically, the organism will resemble any other inanimate. Inanimate means non-living organism. It may look like a leaf or a stone or stake like that. Okay, so basically what is this organism trying to do is we have to first unscramble all the words. So first word is mimicry, second is migration, C option is camouflage, and D is nutrition, right? So definitely it is the mimicry which the animal does, okay, in order to mimic the inanimate or the non-living object to save itself from the predator and hide itself from the prey also. Okay, so option number A is our right answer. Next, refer to the given figure and identify the disease from which the child is suffering. So this child is suffering from a disease known as kwashiorkor, okay, and this is basically a protein related disease, okay, protein deficiency disease, in which the person's body becomes very lean and thin. It happens in children. Children, and the body of the child becomes very lean and thin, but the belly comes out, okay, protrudes out. Right, so we have to find the correct statement regarding it. So the child is suffering mainly from the deficiency of fats. No, this is incorrect. Child suffering from the disease also shows symptoms of mental retardation, patches on skin, and diarrhea. Yes, this is the correct answer. So this kwashiorkor has symptoms of mental retardation, patches on skin, and diarrhea. So option number B is our right answer. Next question. Manisha took some vinegar in a test tube and added some baking soda to it. Then she lit a matchstick and brought it near to the mouth of the test tube. The flame of the matchstick got extinguished. Which of the following is the correct conclusion regarding the given experiment? So whenever we add vinegar into baking soda, okay, the resultant reaction produces a gas which is known as carbon dioxide, which extinguishes fire, which does not support fire. Okay, so what is the correct conclusion regarding this experiment? Carbon dioxide gas does not support burning. Yes, of course, this is the correct option. Okay, so option number A is our answer for this question. Next, refer to the given Venn diagram and select the correct statement regarding it. So, X is a plant fiber and obtained from fruit, and Y is a plant fiber and obtained from stem. So, X could be cotton, Y could be stem or lignin, isn't it? So option number first is X could be jute. No, jute is obtained from stem, so he is wrong. Y could be linen. Yes, Y could be linen because stem. Y is a plant fiber. Linen is a plant fiber and also obtained from the stem. So option number A, B is our correct answer. Next, the animal shown here in the given figure moves with the help of an organ called. So this animal is a snail, and snail moves with the help of a portion below their body, which is known as the muscular foot. So option number C is our right answer. Next, which of the following is or are the effects of drought? The soil dries up completely, becomes hard and begins to crack and gradually becomes infertile. Yes, this is correct. Water table goes down. This is also correct. Wells and ponds dry up and it affects the life of plants and animals. This is also correct. So option number D is our right answer. All of these are the correct statements. Next question. Refer to the given analogy and select the correct option to fill the blank. Okay. So dash smell of burning paper is to wool is to smell of burning paper. So if wool has smell of burning hair, then which of these has the smell of burning paper? Yes, it is the silk which has the smell of the burning paper. So option number B is our correct answer. Next. A girl wanted to find out the distance between the light source and an object affects the length of the shadow. She placed the same metal stick at the three different positions P, Q, and R as shown in the figure. At these positions, she recorded the length of the shadow cast on the wall as XP, XQ, and XR respectively. So select the most appropriate reading from the following options. So basically, what happens is that when the object goes nearer to the screen, okay, the shadow gets smaller and smaller, right? So definitely the in position P, the shadow is the smallest, okay, right? XP shadow is the smallest. Then it is XQ, which is which is a little bit bigger than the shadow size of XP, and finally it is XR, which is more bigger in size. Okay, because it's the farthest point. The position R is farthest from the wall. Okay, right. So our answer is XP is 15, XQ is 20, and XR is 5. So you see that there's a gradual increase from XP to XQ and XR. So why? Because the distance is also increasing of the object is also moving away from the screen, that is the wall, right? So option number A is our right answer for this question. So now we will move on to the next question. Question number 47. Read the given passage and fill the blanks by selecting the appropriate option. Bran can be separated from flour via process number one. So the process number one in which we can separate bran from flour is sieving. Okay, so sieving, where do we see sieving? In option number A and D. So we will eliminate B and C option, right? Then we have this is due to the difference in the size of the components Okay. Dash method is used for the separation of husk. So husk is separated from the seeds or the grains by winnowing, isn't it? Yes. Okay. So option number A is our right answer. Okay. So first is sieving, second is winnowing, third is threshing, and fourth is handpicking. Option number A is our right answer. Next, read the given statements and select the option that correctly fills the blank in any two of them. Okay. So roots have a tendency to grow towards gravity. This phenomenon is known as positive geotropism. Okay. So this is called positive geotropism when the roots grow towards the gravity. Right. So where do we see positive geotropism? Only in option number D. So D becomes our right answer. Okay. And the third one would be the period of reduced physical activity in the animals during winter is known as hibernation. So third is hibernation. So automatically option number D becomes our right answer. Next, refer to the given flow chart. Select the option that correctly identifies PQ and R. So we have to start from the topmost point, right, in order to figure out PQ and R. So it is a food item. Yes, it gives brick red color with Benedict solution on heating, which is P. So simple sugars like glucose, okay, fructose, right, maltose, these will give us color, okay, of orange color or brick red color with Benedict solution, okay. Now, if it is a no, then it gives blue-black color with iodine. So, if Q is that substance which gives blue-black color with iodine, it is definitely going to be a complex carbohydrate such as starch. Okay, such as starch, right? Okay, starch containing food item. And if it is still a no, and then this food item gives a purple color with copper sulfate and caustic soda. So why it definitely has to be something that contains protein. Okay, so option number A, let's look at the options. Option A is P is simple sugar, apple pulp, Q is potato, and R is egg. Yes, option number A is our right answer because apple pulp contains simple sugars. The sweetness present in the different fruits is all because of the simple sugars present within them. Okay, so they will give a red color, brick red color with the Benedict solution. So option number A is our right answer. Next, the last question is read the given paragraph where few words have been italicized. Troposphere is the first layer of the atmosphere closest to the Earth. Mesosphere is an important layer as it contains ozone gas that absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and protects us from the harmful rays. Okay, and stratosphere is the layer where most meteorites burn up before reaching the Earth's surface. Thermosphere is the uppermost layer of Earth's atmosphere, so which is the incorrect statement. So troposphere should be interchanged as it is incorrectly mentioned. So no, this is correctly mentioned. Next is mesosphere and stratosphere should not be interchanged. Yes, definitely they are in the right places. They should not be interchanged. Next is thermosphere should be changed with exosphere. No, we should not change them. They are also in the right places. And T is thermosphere and troposphere should be interchanged. Yes, we should change thermosphere with troposphere. So if these two changes are done, then it is incorrect regarding. So this is incorrect one. Okay. So option number D is our incorrect statement. Rest all are correct. The third one is incorrect. Okay, so this is our final question. So with this, we come to the end of the discussion on this question paper 2023, 2022, 23 of grade 6 science. I hope you all have understood the questions and I wish you all the best for your SOF upcoming examination. Thank you so much.